distance, better distance, move the foot.
Squad, about turn.
And now I would like to invite Abhay and Amarish.
गहराइयों से निकलती है, ईश्वर की उपस्थिति का एहसास कराती है।
मन को शांति और आत्मा को शक्ति देती है। प्रार्थना हमारे जीवन को सकारात्मक दिशा देती है।
With this spirit down, I'm Abhay.
And Amarish,
We are here to share a special moment.
let's take some time to reflect in silence, find peace and calm.
Melodies of Vedas, whispering of divine classical pages, timeless and sublime bhaktis that tell stories of India's diverse skies.
From Himalayas peak to the southern shore, India's musical legacy are treasure to stand on.
As we know, prayer has the power to bring calmness, clarity, and positivity to our hearts and minds. So let's start this event by invoking the divine through a soulful prayer song.
So I would like to invite our school choir group to perform our beautiful prayer song. Their melodious voices will surely captivate the mind of our audience. Thank you.
We have wrapped our part of the celebration, and now it's time to hand over our mics to our colleagues. They will continue the festivities with more energy and enthusiasm.
And don't worry, we are not disappearing, just stepping aside so that the pros can take the stage and we will cheer from sideline level to fan. But at last, before leaving the stage, I would like to say, आओ झुककर सलाम करें उनको जिनकी जिंदगी में वो काम आता है। खुशनसीब होता है वो खून जो देश के काम आता है।
Thank you everyone, and this was Abhay
And this was Rajesh
passing the torch.
जय हिंद जय भारत।
Thank you, Abhay and Rajesh.
Ayan, have you ever thought what patriotism means in today's world?
Absolutely. In today's world, patriotism is not just about waving the flag or singing the anthem. It's about doing your work responsibly, respecting others, and making India proud in every small ways.
Exactly. It's about keeping the environment clean, helping someone in need, standing against injustice, and most important, living with integrity.
As beautifully said in Ramayana, Janni Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Galiyase, which means mother and motherland are greater than even heaven.
And now to the officially welcome everyone and set the tone for today's event. We invite a young voice full of passion and pride.
So we now invite confident and articulate Sharanya to deliver the welcome speech. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
A soil that doesn't just grow crops but grows courage. A sky that doesn't just hold clouds but holds centuries of sacrifice. A flag that doesn't just wave but whispers stories of fire, faith, and freedom. That soil, that sky, that flag is mine. That country is my India. आज़ादी की सुबह सिर्फ एक पल नहीं, ये उन अनगिनत सांसों की गूंज है जो हमारे लिए रुक गई, ताकि हम खुलकर जी सकें. And as the light settles on the sovereign sky, arises a name, mine, Sharanya Tiwari. I extend a grateful bow of greeting to our gracious chief guest, Mrs. Anupreksha Jain ma'am, whose presence adds integrity to this day. In this gatherings of minds and hopes, your presence is of both honor and inspiration. This isn't just a welcome, it's a tribute carried with deep meaning and pride. I take great privilege in introducing Mrs. Anupreksha Jain ma'am, Judicial Magistrate, First Class Judge in Civil Court, Damoh, Madhya Pradesh. A woman of discipline, a symbol of grace, and a true emissary of justice. Her story begins in Salem, when she first stepped into the world of learning at Shishu Mandir, Motinagar. With the hunger for excellence, she pursued her LLB from IMS Law College, Pune, and completed her LLM from NNIU, Bhopal. शायद इसलिए कहा जाता है, पढ़ाई ऐसी हो कि डिग्रियां भी गर्व से लगान पर टंगी रहें और किससे भी. A gold medalist in her school and college years, ma'am has proven that brilliance isn't just a moment, it's a path. And if dedication were a subject, we would surely talk that too, ma'am. जहाँ लोग मंजिल की तलाश में रहते हैं, वहीं कुछ लोग अपना रास्ता बनाते हैं. और ऐसी ही शख्सियत है हमारी मानने में आती थी. Her dedication didn't stop at education. She's been serving the nation through the judiciary for 7 impactful years, delivering fairness where it's needed the most. Besides her, stands a partner equally devoted to the service, Dr. Ankur Jain, a compassionate general surgeon, providing that commitment in both justice and healing runs deep in their home. Ma'am, your presence here is not just only welcome, it's cherished. You don't just interpret the law, you live its values, reminding us that true strength lies in quiet conviction. न्याय ही स्वतंत्रता का सबसे मजबूत स्तंभ होता है. And as we celebrate freedom today, you stand as a reminder that justice and independence walk hand in hand. With conviction in my voice and pride in my soul, I solemnly invoke the memory that freedom's flame was invoked by many countless brave souls. Today, it burns within us, unextinguished and untamed. So, this voice was Sharanya Tiwari, bidding you adios with echoes of celebration. Thank you.
You truly captured the soul of this event.
Now, as a token
offer a sapling and Shashi ma'am to offer a gift for honorable and
and Shashmi. अब पेश है कुछ पंक्तियां और महानात्माओं के लिए समर्पित जिनके बलिदान से आज हमारा भारत स्वर्णिम प्रकाश से चमक रहा है। इतिहास के पन्नों में अमर वो नाम है जिनके बलिदान से रोशन हिंदुस्तान है। टूटे से जंजीरों के ताले जब उजाला फैला हर एक जन जन तक।
वो सपना जो शहीदों ने देखा था हमारी जिम्मेदारी है पूरा करना। भारत है सिर्फ जमीन नहीं, एक जान है, एकता इसकी असली पहचान है।
Now get ready for the performance that will steal your heart.
Our tiny wonders from pre-primary are ready to get into your hearts, dressed in the colors of tricolor and spirit of pride.
They may be small in size, but their love for the country is mighty big.
So please welcome with a huge round of applause pre-primary dance performance. Yashi, do you know why 15th August is so special for every Indian?
Of course, Sam, it's the day when India finally got its independence from British rule after almost 200 years of struggle.
Yes, because British came to India as traders through East India Company, but they soon captured large parts of our nation.
But India was never ready to accept the slavery from 1857. The first war of independence, our people keep lifting bravely.
Yes, and we must not forget our great heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and also the brave Queen Rani Lakshmibai who sacrificed their life for our nation.
And finally, after a long and painful struggle, on 15th August 1947, India became free. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, holds the tricolor.
Yes, and that was the moment where India woke up to life and freedom. Since then, we celebrate Independence Day with pride and patriotism.
By the way, Ayan, do you know music is our freedom, even love for India?
So please welcome our school choir to present a beautiful patriotic song, Tiranga.